Could pandas use column as index? I have a spreadsheet like this. I don't want to manually swap the column with a row. Could it be possible to use pandas reading data to a list as this?
Yes, with pandas.dataframe.set_index you can make locality your row index. If inplace equals true is not provided, set_index returns the modified data frame as a result. Example.
You can change the index as explained already using set_index. You don't need to manually swap rows with columns, there is a transpose, data.t, method in pandas that does it for you. Then you can fetch the data frame column values and transform them to a list.
Another simple approach is to assign the column to the data frame index. And if you no longer want the locality column as a column, you can just drop it. You'll end up with
You can set the column index using index_call parameter available while reading from spreadsheet in pandas. Here is my solution. Firstly, import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. Read in file name using pd.read_excel, if you have your data in a spreadsheet, and set the index to locality by specifying the index_call parameter. df equals pd.read_excel testexcel.xlsx, index_call equals 0. At this stage, if you get a no module named xlrd error, install it using pip install xlrd. For visual inspection, read the data frame using df.head, which will print the following output. Now you can fetch the values of the desired columns of the data frame and print it.